In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variant metafields in Shopify. Variant metafields let you store extra information for each individual product variant instead of just for the main product. This is really useful when you want things like unique images, labels, or data that either changes when a customer selects a different color, size, or style. In this walkthrough, we'll create a variant metafield definition, then apply values to specific variants. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the main admin screen, look toward the lower left-hand corner and find the settings option. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the area where you can manage all of your store's configuration. Inside settings, look at the left-hand panel and find the section called Metafields and Meta Objects. Click that. You'll see different types of metafields you can create. For this tutorial, choose variants. This is where all of your variant metafield definitions will live. In the top right corner of this list, click Add Definition. This is how you create a new custom field that you can later fill in for each variant. Now it's time to name your definition and choose a type. Give it a clear, descriptive name that you'll recognize later. In this example, we'll call it Color Swatch. For the content type, choose Image File because we want a unique color swatch image, or a different product image or label for each variant when the color changes. Picking the right type is important here, since it controls what kind of data you can store. Once you're happy with the name and type, click Save near the top, close to the search bar. Your new variant metafield definition is now ready to use. Next, head back to your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand panel, click Products. Open a product that has variants and that you want to add metafield values to. This will bring you into the product editor. Scroll down until you see the variants card. Choose a specific variant you want to work with and click it to open that variants editor. Now scroll down again until you find the metafield section. Here, you should see the metafield you just created, for example, color swatch. Click in the field next to it and add a value. Since we chose image file as the type, you can now select or upload an image that represents this particular variant. When you're done adding the value, click Save at the top near the search bar. To finish setting up your product, simply repeat this process for your other variants, assigning the appropriate image or data to each one. That's how you create and use variant metafields in Shopify.